Healthy, fragrant, aromatic, and simple to make. Dill Leaves Idli, also called as Sabbasige Soppu Idli, stand idli. Welcome to Whada Gravy. If you like my video, please support by sharing and subscribing. To prepare the idli, take 1 cup of unpolished whole white urad dal. Try and use unpolished urad dal as it has got more fiber and micronutrients which are all lost in the polished variety. Wash 2 to 3 times. Soak in water. Add 2 teaspoons of methi seeds. Methi seeds help in fermentation and make the idli soft and fluffy. Soak for 3 to 4 hours. Take 3 cups of idli rice, also called as parboiled rice. Parboiled rice is rice that has been partially boiled in the husk, thus driving the nutrients from the husk into the grain. Hence, it is nutritionally very rich. Wash thoroughly. Soak in water for 6 to 8 hours. To a wet grinder, add the soaked and drained urad dal. Most legumes contain a kind of complex sugar that causes bloating and gas. The soaking process eliminates these gas-producing chemicals from the lentils, so discard the urad soaked water. During summer, the batter ferments very fast or turns sour. One way to prevent this is by adding ice-cold water or keeping the soaked urad dal in the refrigerator. I am using ice cubes here. Grind till the dal is smooth, airy and fluffy. This generally takes around 30 minutes. To check if it is done, take a bowl of water, add a small amount of batter to the water. The batter should float. Remove the urad dal batter. Now add the soaked idli rice. Add half a cup of cooked rice. Use any variety of cooked rice that you have. Adding cooked rice helps to make the idlis soft. Add the rice-soaked water as and when required. Grind to a medium fine consistency. Add 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of sea salt to the ground batter. Sea salt that includes the trace minerals will usually be brown or grey depending on where it comes from. Mix well. Allow it to ferment. Take 1 bunch of dill, Sabbasige Soppu. Remove the tender stem and leaves. Rinse in water 2 to 3 times. Dill leaves not only enhance the taste of any dish but also enrich the dish with healthful nutrients. Chop the leaves fine. Check the fermented idli batter. Add water if required. To 1/2 of the batter, add the chopped dill. Dill leaves are also called as Sabbasige Soppu, Sadakuppai, Soya Sag, Suabaji. Dill leaves are rich in vitamin A and C, thereby increasing the overall vitality of the body. It also has B vitamins and flavonoids, which acts as a natural remedy for insomnia. They are also rich in dietary fibers, minerals and antioxidants. Mix well. Add water to the idli cooker. Switch on the stove. These are the idli stands. The brass idli stand and plates are 2 generations old, and that is what I'm going to use now. We call these idlis as stand idlis. Apply oil on the plates. Place a banana leaf. Lightly smear oil on the leaves. Pour 2 ladles of the dill leaves batter onto the idli plate. Place it on the idli stand. In another plate, pour the plain idli batter. Alternate with both the batters and assemble the plates onto the idli stand. When the water starts boiling, place the idli stand inside the cooker, cover with the lid, steam for 10 to 15 minutes. Remove the idli stand from the cooker. Remove the plates from the idli stand. Turn the plates upside down. Remove the banana leaves. Enjoy these healthy, fragrant, soft and aromatic idlis with any chutney of your choice. Would love to hear from you. Do drop your comments below. Join me on Monday for another interesting recipe. Do check out the other videos for more interesting recipes.